Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove voice memos button in Control Center on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using our iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Control Center, then tap. Then after that, in the Control Center, go to Included Controls, then find the Voice Memos. And as you will see, there's a negative sign located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it. Then tap again the Remove. And it is now removed. And if you want to check it in your Control Center, just drag down the right side of your screen, as you will see that the Voice Memos button is already removed here in your Control Center. And that's it. We have successfully removed Voice Memos button in Control Center on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.